If you've ever sent a large amount of money with a bank, you understand why Bitcoin is needed. The other day I resold one of my cars and used that money to pay off the loan I had in it. I would consider it a large amount to send at once, around $30,000. But I'm sure the difficulty I went through is tenfold when sending something like $1 million. First, the person paying me wire transferred me the money. And the bank, even though I informed them of this transaction and they expected it, declined the payment. They said this was because you can't transfer in more money than the cost of your loan, whatever that means. Made no sense to me. So then, after dealing with that for a week, the buyer and I agreed a cashier's check would work. They can't bounce since it's literally confirmed they are taking the money out when they write it. Which still took an entire extra day to drive and meet up and process and then to hand over the car. If he had paid in Bitcoin, or if I had sent $1,000 or $10 million, Bitcoin would be fast and cheaper. No middleman chipping away at the money someone is trying to give away to another person. People call Bitcoin slow, but waiting 5-15 minutes is nothing compared to the hell week I just had to wait through. Bitcoin is faster. We're not talking about Venmo here, we're talking about real, large, banking transactions. Bitcoin is faster. It's cheaper. It's the best method to send and receive and store money, and that is why people like it. That's what gives it value. And that is why almost everyone in crypto has some.